Most people think building wealth is complicated, reserved for Wall Street geniuses or six-figure earners. But the truth? Wealth is built through small, easy-to-follow steps. The hard part is doing them consistently. And today, I'll show you exactly what steps to take to start your wealth-building journey. No fluff, no finance degree required. Let's get into it. Let's start with what most people skip: goals. Not vague ones like, I want to be rich. I mean clear, emotional, specific goals. Money is never the goal, it's a tool. So what do you really want? Freedom from debt, the ability to quit your job and start that business, travel the world without checking your bank account first. Be vivid. Your brain works better with images than numbers. Instead of saying, I want $100,000, say, I want to buy a home where my family can grow up safe and happy. One is math, the other is motivation. Next, before you touch a dollar, change your identity, because your mindset is your financial thermometer. Start telling yourself, I am someone who makes smart money choices. I'm in control. I create wealth. It might feel fake at first, but your brain will believe what you repeat. Think about this. If you keep telling yourself you're bad with money, your decisions will match that belief. But if you shift that identity, even before your results show up, you begin acting like a person who wins with money. That's how millionaires are made, from the inside out. If you are finding these wealth journey starters helpful, please let us know by liking the video. This tells us what you want to learn more of. By subscribing to the channel, you will know as soon as there are more helpful videos available. Now, let's talk numbers. This might sound basic, but it's powerful. Check your bank account. Frequently. Most people avoid it because it's painful. But if you don't know where your money is going, you're not in control. Awareness creates accountability. Start with this. What's your income? What bills are coming up? Where are you overspending? Are there subscriptions draining you monthly without value? When you monitor your money, you become the CFO of your life. And no business builds wealth without checking its numbers. Lastly, commit to learning continuously. Wealthy people never stop sharpening their money skills. Even if you start with just one book, one YouTube video, or one podcast a week, you'll build a knowledge bank that pays lifelong dividends. Every time you learn, you level up your financial IQ, you gain confidence, you make smarter moves. And the best part? It doesn't cost much. Most of it is free and already on your phone. Treat your financial education like fitness. You don't need to know everything today. You just need to get 1% better every week. Knowing where to start your financial journey can seem like a daunting task, but anyone can start with these simple steps today. Which step is going to be your first step towards financial freedom? Let us know in the comments below. There are plenty of small habits we can change in our daily lives to push us towards our financial journey goals. Check out this video to learn some of the daily habits of the financial elite.